Well, today we got called out here for what I like to call cleaning up somebody's mess. So this old boy here says that they came out and changed batteries in the truck because they couldn't get it to do anything. The guy said he turned it off and it wouldn't do anything. So I chatted with him a little bit and asked him some history on it. It says that he was a coolant leak. So I'm gonna bet that this thing's probably hydrolocked. That's my guess. That's what it sounds like. He's got brand new batteries in there. They put batteries in there, came out and he couldn't figure it out, so they left. So anyway, he's got a coolant leak. And from what I hear, my experience is that it sounds like it's a hydrolock. He's got good voltage. But he says he's been going through coolant, now he's adding water. So that's just a telltale sign that the bump on the engine plus the low coolant. So listen to what I got. I'm gonna bump this over one more time, Bubba. That, my friends, is a hydrolock. So, one more time. Yeah, so we've got good voltage. They put new batteries in there, but he's been going through coolant. And in my experience, if you can't rotate the engine, it looks like he's been doing this for a minute. So my guess is that this bad boy is due for a rebuild. There's nothing I can do. I don't know why they put batteries in it. They just assume, they don't know any better. So anyway, I'm not going to rotate the engine so I don't do any damage to it. I know that's what it is. So anyway, just a short, quick one for you. It is what it is.